Welcome to Gaming Thing, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and financial markets. And this is a short update video, and it's about Starward Industries. Starward Industries. So, Starward Industries is the developer of the Invincible and game that's coming out on the 6th of November, which has almost 40,000 followers on Steam, and it looks incredible. It has robot single player. It's futuristic. It plays like, I think on Mars or on some other planet, so discover planet Ridge 3. So it's extremely cool, and I'm definitely looking forward to this game. So I want to play it, but something bad happened today, guys. So, and I'm invested in the stock of Starward Industry. I'm invested in the stocks. Look at this chart. It's a disaster. It's a disaster. 32% down today alone. 32% down. We are now at 48 zloty. So now you would say, yeah, Mr. Orange, what are you investing in penny stocks like this? So guys, I am in this stock with 56 round about here. So I bought the stock round about here, and then it was going up so nicely on 128. And of course, I knew that the stock is overvalued at this point. It was dropping a little bit, and then I thought like, maybe I'm just holding it. So what happened? Actually, I'm now in the minus. Of course, I have a small position. That's very important. Always have small positions in general, especially in extreme, or let's say in extreme risky stocks, in penny stocks, like with a market cap of 139 million zlotys, not dollars. So that's even important to say. So this stock, of course, is not profitable. So now we have it. So it's their first game they're releasing. It's their first game, and the stock drops on one day 32%. So it's really a lot. So guys, look at this. It's really a lot. So what I'm doing now, I guess, guys. So normally you would say, okay, now you just sell, but then I would sell with a loss, and I would sell when it's completely down. So I'm doing nothing now. My position is very small, and we will see if they also make another game. So I'm an early adopter of this game studio. I'm an early adopter of this stock, so I'm just holding it. I'm doing nothing. Maybe I even think about to buy some more when we see even lower values. So at the moment, 48 is maybe still then a little bit high, a little bit too high. So, and today was an incredible good day on the stock market, my friends. Yeah, that's the page, that's the studio, Starward Industries. I made already several videos about this, and as I said, game comes out. And what is the reason why it dropped? So probably it's the rating of the game, because the reviews are not that good. Look at Alan Wake 2. Alan Wake had incredible reviews, and the stock of Remedy Entertainment went up. So now we have Invincible 65 points on Metacritic. So this is the average of the professional critics. It's not, guys, these are not the critics, let's say the player base. So these are now the professionals. So I haven't played the full game myself yet, so also got no review key for this game. But you see, for example, a PC Games gives it 60, a Eurogamer Poland gives it only 70. I mean, Eurogamer Poland is totally biased already to a Polish game and gives it only 70, and IGN gives it only 50 out of 100, guys. So think about this. It's really not good. So Windows Central, of course, they are I forget this page. So it's really not to talk about. Game Rant 70, PC Games and 60. Dexerto 40, oh my god. So yeah, overall you can say the ratings are not good. Therefore the stock on an incredible game for the overall market today. We can see, I mean, today even a Tesla 6.25% up, a Netflix 1% up, an Apple 2.2% up. So the overall Nasdaq today 1.74% up, the S&P 500 1.89% up. So yes, you see, it's a great day, and on this great day alone today 32% down. So it's really a disaster, and I'm really a bit angry because, I mean, on the other hand, I told myself, so yeah, that's not normal, being over 100% in the plus. So I should sell, and I didn't sell, and this is what happens. This is what happens if you don't sell, my friends. then you get those issues. So then you get those issues, and it drops like a stone. That's what happens with penny stocks. So lessons learned again. So, but I thought also 40,000 is not so bad. It is not so bad. All right, guys. So I think I'm leaving this here. So it's just a little update on Starward Industries, 11-bit studio. 11-bit studio. So it's the publisher. So still looking forward to this game. I think I would like this game because I like those kind of adventure games, but it's probably not for everyone. So I guess then it's not going to be this massive financial success, and then we just have to wait and see, be a bit more patient, and see what other games Starward Industries is going to develop. So I hope this little gaming company is staying in the market. Otherwise, of course, then my whole investment would be probably lost and completely. So with this, I'm leaving it here. Not financial advisor, YouTuber, retail investor, myself. This is for information and entertainment purposes only. And yeah, you probably would have bought at 129 and you would sell now. So you would lose all your money, my friend. So don't buy anything you see on YouTube. See you next time. Bye-bye.